Is your AI running on stale data? Slow, outdated, and giving you yesterday's answers? What if you could build a data pipeline that's 100 times faster, feeding your AI fresh, real-time information? Stop waiting. Start accelerating. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Generative AI is only as good as the data it's fed. Traditional web scraping is a bottleneck, feeding your AI a slow, sequential trickle of information. By integrating Python's concurrent programming, we can fetch data from countless sources simultaneously, transforming that trickle into a firehose of fresh, relevant knowledge for your AI. We used a vibe coding prompt to generate this entire Python script. We just described what we wanted. An asynchronous web scraper using !asyncio and !httpx to fetch URLs concurrently and then simulate sending that data to an AI. Interested in the full prompt? Subscribe and find out how we do it. First, we import our tools. !asyncio for concurrency and !httpx for fast, asynchronous web requests. We'll set up a list of target URLs to demonstrate how we can scrape multiple pages at once, preparing the ground for our high-speed operation. Next, our core worker function, !fetch URL Using !async def we create a coroutine that grabs content from a single URL. It uses await to pause without blocking, waiting for the network response. Robust error handling ensures one failed request won't crash our entire operation. Now for the magic. The !scrape concurrently function orchestrates everything. It creates a list of tasks, one for each URL, and uses !asyncio. Gather to run them all at the same time. This is where we turn single file traffic into a multi-lane superhighway. Finally, we connect our data pipeline to AI. The integrate with GenAI function simulates sending our freshly scraped content to a model like OpenAI's. The main function ties it all together, running the scraping and AI integration to show how fast data ingestion can directly power up your AI applications. And there you have it. By replacing slow, sequential scraping with concurrent fetching, we give our AI the fresh, comprehensive data it needs to deliver faster, higher quality results. You've just built an AI data superhighway. Now go create something amazing. Did you vibe code smarter today?